Customizer for Bloxy allows you to customize the header, the footer, and also the shop page of your websites. You might have noticed here that if you go to the shop page, there is no area where you can edit this page with Elementor. That's because this page is being controlled by the theme. Also, for your product pages here as well, the same thing. The theme customizer will be able to customize this product page as well. So let's get started. Here at the top, you'll see this customize button. Go ahead and click on this, and this will turn on the theme customizer. So I'll be going over the most important options in the Bloxy theme, and this will give you an understanding of how the Bloxy theme works. The first option I want to show you all is under the General tab. You can choose to have a scroll to top button on your website. So at the bottom right, if you scroll down, you'll now see that there's this scroll to top. And for the Bloxy theme, you'll see that there's these arrows whenever you open something. This allows you to, further extend and customize the actual scroll to top, where you can change the color and also the icon. You can also add a really cool website frame here as well, where if you want a website frame, you can go ahead and add a frame right here. Some people like, it's actually a pretty cool effect. I do like it. So yeah, I thought that was really interesting, where you can add a website frame to your websites. Let's go ahead and go back over here. Now let's talk about one of the more